Jordan brand will bring back the Air Jordan 7 Miro in June 2026, marking its first appearance since 2008. The release reconnects the silhouette to Michael Jordan's 1992 Olympic run in Barcelona, where he competed with the Dream Team wearing number 9. This edition also draws creative influence from Spanish artist Joan Miro and his well-known Barcelona sculpture Woman and Bird, reflected through bold primary color accents across the upper. The sneaker stays true to the classic Air Jordan 7 build. Smooth white leather overlays are paired with darker nubuck underlays, creating strong contrast and depth. Multicolor detailing energizes the midsole and branding, while the heel highlights Jordan's Olympic number as a nod to that historic international stage. Underfoot, a translucent outsole features gold touches and subtle flag-inspired elements that reinforce the global theme. With deep historical roots and artistic storytelling, the Air Jordan 7 Miro returns as a meaningful retro for longtime collectors and new fans alike.